Hey guys, let's talk about why SEO is important for coaches, content creators, course creators, all the stuff. But especially my coaches, my digital entrepreneurs, what I call knowledge-based businesses, because you guys use your brains to help other people, right? So you use the stuff that you know and you help them with strategy, you help them work through things, you help them build their not necessarily just businesses, but build their businesses or build in whatever area. So, like if you're a fitness coach, or if you're even a life coach, or any other type of coach, right? I know a bunch of different types of music coach, like a bunch of different types of coaches. You essentially use your expertise in order to pretty much get to attract your clients, but also to help your clients. And so that's why I wanted to do this really quick video talking about why SEO is really important. I'm even gonna say more important for you guys than some other industries. So yes, we know SEO helps us with some of the key things that we want to do. It helps us to find traffic. It helps us, helps us to get traffic, attract traffic, right? It helps us to be an authority in our space because we coming up number one. It helps us to, it's free, so it helps us to save some money and all those good things. But the other important thing that is really super important for, like I said, my knowledge-based business owners, my coaches, course creators, content creators, you guys, is that also you need to show your expertise, right? You need to show your expertise to Google. So Google and the search engines know exactly how you help people, who you help, and all those things. But you also need to show your expertise to your audience. So once you do attract those people, or even if you meet the people other places, you need them to see who you are and see what you're about. Other super important thing, and why I think a lot of coaches and stuff should at least start doing their own SEO, not necessarily hiring out. I know I do this for people, but hiring out is not always the first really good thing, because you sell your knowledge, right? You selling your knowledge, it is super important that people hear and see from you, right? And so with that in mind, if you hire it out, we're hearing and seeing what other people know. Or they may find things, like often I find keywords. If you guys know my race method, which is the keyword research method that I recommend for entrepreneurs. And here's the reason why. Most keyword research starts with getting a bunch of keywords, the roundup, which is what we do in the race method, and then doing the analysis and getting the analytics around the words, which is really important. You're finding out if they got the right volume, you're finding out if they've got their low competition, and you're making sure the numbers meet up, which is cool. And then they stop there, right? They stop right there with just half of what we need to do. The next one, which is the C in the race method, which is connecting, we connect it to what your business does, right? Connected to your products, connected to your business, connected to everything that you do. That is super important for my coaches, my course creators, and stuff like that, because you don't want to come up for keywords that aren't things that you know about. You don't want to come up for keywords that aren't things that are connected to your business. So it is super important when you are thinking about, I'm going to do this SEO thing. I'm going to put some stuff out there, that it's not just any old stuff. You need stuff that really is part of what your business does, stuff that really connects with your business. Those are the things that you want to make sure is part of your SEO strategy and part of what you're putting out there, because SEO isn't just about the search engines, right? SEO is about what people see. Right? Once they find you. So it's not just about what Google sees you as, but also what people see you as, after that initial we found you in search. So those are just some of the reasons why SEO is super important. And like I said, not want the video to be too long, but if you're a coach and you're thinking, do I need SEO? Yes, right? You need SEO, not just for what SEO does, which is getting you found in search, getting you up there in Google, but you also need search to help position yourself and to help those people to, like I said, see your knowledge, understand how you can help them, what you're teaching them. And you really need your own voice, whether you are doing it via blogging, writing, podcasting, audio, video, YouTube. You still need that with your voice. You don't want to just tell people, oh, go off and write my content or have no content. I see so many people that are so content light. And it's so funny because we're in the age of give value, offer value. And then all we do is very short snippets and very short, like 30-second TikTok and reels videos, or 60-second ticket tip tip I can't even say it, snippets of stuff, but we like soundbite all of our things, and there's no big long form. Like, how do people know you're a thought leader if we never get to hear your thoughts? Right? So with SEO, we want to make sure that your thoughts, your knowledge, your expertise is getting out there, because a lot of people don't know you're a thought leader because we don't know your thoughts, right? And so those are the reasons why SEO is super important for, especially for my coaches. If you're coaching and helping people to get through, resolve their issues, you definitely need to have SEO and need to have your knowledge and everything out there. Talk to you guys soon. See you next video. If you've not already, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm going to be dropping a couple of short tidbits type of videos like this one. Tell me how you like them and let me know what you want me to talk about in the comments. All right. Bye, guys.